Hi guys, now we're going to learn perpendicular bisector. So what is perpendicular bisector? So first let's write down the vocabulary. Perpendicular bisector. I just want to clean the table a little bit, sorry. Alright, perpendicular bisector, perpendicular, that's an A, bisector. If you have watched my angle bisector video, you know that bisector means divide something into two equal parts actually. Perpendicular, what that means is just two lines making 90-degree angles or right angles. So what is perpendicular? It's a line. Well, sometimes you can call it a segment. It doesn't matter, it's a line or segment. They sometimes could be both line and segments, and it could be array as well. I will name it this way: that cut and segment another segment into two equal segments, and creates a 90-degree angle. Wow, that's not very formal way to define it. It's just the way I understand it, or I can put it down. It's not a very good way to saying that. So if you understand it, that's the most important. If you don't understand, I'm demonstrating now. So I'm going to create one line segment. That's about 4 centimeter. From 4 to 8 is 4 centimeter. So I'm going to create a perpendicular bisector. So what you need to do is you start from one point, center at one point. Now how big is your radius? The radius has to be bigger than half of this line segment. Has to be bigger than half. You'll see why. So you put one arc on the top and another arc in the bottom. Okay. If you want to make the whole circle, there's no problem. And then you put on the right side of the end point, and you make another arc, just like the first one. Two arcs, one on the top, one on the bottom. These two arcs, they intersect, and then the bottom two arcs intersect. These two intersecting points, 2 points make a line. So you connect these 2 points, you get a line. You can do a line segment or a line, doesn't matter. So technically, this line, it is the line that will cut this into 2 parts if you measure it. So the first part is about 2 centimeter, and then second part it's another 2 centimeter. And this is actually making a 90-degree angles. So that line here, it has a name. It's called perpendicular bisector. Thank you for watching. See you next time.